Now moving on to the boys, this is boy black. He would be one of the wavy ones. He is 4 pounds 11 ounces, so he's one of the slightly smaller ones. The one difference we didn't mention before is whether they have a black nose or a brown nose, and what that is indicative of is really their genetic makeup. So the ones that have the black noses, they carry for black, and the ones that have brown, they have brown in their genetic makeup. So it's not a deformity or anything like that. It is just really the genetics that they got. So this one is got the black nose, and he is just a darling little puppy, boy black.